So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about CG Power Share. So we know that previously when we have discussed about CG Power, we have done the complete technical analysis and also we have discussed basic details regarding the board meeting. So when we have discussed the technicals, we have discussed that in short term, it may reach 80 rupees level. And as usual, we have discussed about what is the potential for long term as well. So currently we can see it has approached the 78 rupees level and it has given a very good movement since the past few trading sessions. So what are the immediate targets of CG Power? So we'll try to discuss that, and what are the various bulk deals that happened in the past month, so that also we'll try to find out. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before starting the video, I want to give an important update regarding the Telegram group. So if you have not joined the Telegram, do join the Telegram. So in that we are discussing all the stocks for positional trade, swing trade, and also for long term. So whenever any stock is present at support or when it is giving any breakout, I'm immediately updating it in the Telegram, and you can also contact me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So there also you can clarify each and every doubt clearly. Okay, so do clarify your doubts. So starting with the video regarding CG Power. So first we'll discuss how the deliveries have been taken in the previous trading session. So you can see on April 9th, roughly 73.2% deliveries have been taken, and you can see it has showed only 2.2% positive moment. But if we go 2 to 3 days back, we know that stock has given continuous momentum. So after the breakout, basically when we have discussed near 58, so you have seen that 65, 64, so that would be the next resistance. So when it has crossed that particular resistance, so it has showed the bullishness and it has continued the rally. So again it has come for a little consolidation, so little correction may happen. So definitely try to buy near the levels which we are going to discuss when we go to the technical charts. So obvious, right? So whenever any stock is showing any sort of correction, so obviously it is an opportunity, and basically stocks like these, when they go in a good uptrend and they consolidate for a certain period of time, so again they start going up. So that is basic thing. So basically whenever any stocks goes in a continuous uptrend, so ultimately it comes down. So that is not required. So little consolidation is necessary. So after that, ultimately the stock also will show the potential. So we can see on day-to-day wise, we are seeing a very good deliveries have been taken and they are increasing on regular basis, which is a positive note for the stock. Okay, so if we go to the bulk deal section, so the last month we know that a bulk deal has happened by the Vanguard group. So you can see almost 1 crore shares have been taken at 58.90 rupees, so almost where we have discussed. So at that point of time, stock has also corrected a little bit, so many people have taken the opportunity and have invested at that particular level. So it is obvious, so whenever any stock is available at a correction phase, they will try to accumulate that. The same thing has happened. So heavy selling is not basically seen, only minor selling is seen. Basically the stocks which have continuous rally, so when they go to overbought region, so try to come little down, little pullback happens, and again they start retracing. Okay, so if we compare the returns wise, how the stock has performed in the last week, so you can see it has given almost 14.41% return in just 1 week, and you can see sector and Sensex, so both of them were down almost 0.88%, followed by 1.51%. Okay, so further if we go in 1 month, the stock has moved almost at 27%. So despite we know the entire sector as well as even Nifty and Sensex were in little correction phase, so you can see it has corrected minus 2.81%, but stock has gone almost 27.08%. Okay, so now coming to most important thing, that is in 1 year. So that is long term. So in long term, how much returns it has generated. So you can see almost 1055% returns have been given. And you can see Sensex has given 59.15, sector has given 73% return, and you can see it has given almost 1000% return in 1 week. So 1 lakh investment is converted into 10 lakhs. Okay, you're understanding? So that is the essence of long term. So you can't even get those percent returns in FD rates, fixed deposits also you won't get that much returns, so not even near as well. So you try to understand, you're able to understand. So even not even stocks like large cap stocks also, they could not have delivered this much returns in a short period of time. So that is why it has gone up. So we were discussing from 18 rupees level. So from that point of time I kept on updating whether it may be little financials are weak. I agree that financials are weak, but when big institutions like Tube Investments, Murugappa Group, so when they started taking the stake in CG Power, so from that time it has potentially the stock has showed the momentum. So financials wise little improvement is required, so that is the major thing the company is focusing. So once that also settles, then definitely it may go back to its original highs. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So you can see this is the 1-day chart of CG Power. So you can see the pivot point from where it has started retracing. So these are very important technical indicators. So basically I discuss only 3 major things that you need to identify. So first thing, put moving averages. So after that, money flow index, and third one, just for secondary confirmation, you can go for pivot point, so that you will have an idea of support and resistance. So clearly you can see it has started retracing from the 80 rupees region. So little a downward type hammer has been formed. So if a correction happens, already I told you, so you need to add in this particular stock. So levels wise, you can see first comes near 75, after that near 73. So these are the 2 supports. So first, if you go a little bit down, you can see how it has formed a breakout pattern. Can you see here? So this particular breakout pattern, I clearly explained these type of breakout patterns in Telegram also. So in many stocks we see this similar example. You can go try to do a homework in Happiest Minds. So in Happiest Minds also you have seen similar type of breakout, and after that you can see the stock has continuously gone up. Afterwards little profit booking has happened, so that is not an issue, because after breakout 2 to 3 days the stock will rally. After that little sell off will be present, that is common. Again it will retrace. Okay, you can see money flow index also, it is near 68. So that is also trending upwards. So earlier it was in overbought region. So after that it has come a little bit down, and again now it is trying to retrace. Okay, so supports wise we have seen 73 is one support. After that you can take 70. So if you get a chance, try to invest there, and immediate resistance is 80 rupees. So if it crosses that 80, then definitely you can see it may approach the 85 rupees level as well. Okay, so these are the near term levels. Hope you have got clarity. So this is in 1-day chart. So let's confirm even in 1 week chart. Okay, so we're back onto 1 week chart. So in 1 week chart, we know clearly we discussed about this particular breakout from the 200-day moving average. So when it has crossed the 200-day exponential moving average, so after that only I told it will continue the rally, and as usual it has continued that. And you can see again it was facing resistance near this particular region 63. So after crossing that as well, so now it has come near 78, and you can see 81, 80. So that region is going to be the resistance in the coming sessions. So definitely the week next week, even if it shows any correction, so try to accumulate at that particular level, especially near 70 and 75 region. So if you get an opportunity, and rest of all hold it for long term. Okay, so these are the basic things. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section, or you can follow me in Instagram as well and clarify your doubts. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.